Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, I'm going to do some gaming on the Motorola Razr Plus. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm going to do some gaming on the Motorola Razr Plus. It should play games pretty well. It has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus chipset, so it should play the games really well. But I want to show off the cover display too, how you can play games on there. We'll check out, the CPU temperature and see how hot the phone gets and how much battery life it drains. Right now I'm at 100%. So we'll see, if it drains a lot of battery or not. Right now it says the CPU is at 78.8 Fahrenheit. I don't know if that's hot or cold. But let's get into it. I'm going to play some Mortal Kombat first. Y'all let me know how everything looks. How does it sound? Oh, I froze. Oh. Man, it's a good fight. Oh. Almost got him dead. We won. So what y'all thought about it? How does it look? How does it sound?
Well done.
Let's play one more round. Might lose this one. The phone doesn't feel warm at all. Trying to keep this in the camera and watch it and play at the same time. I'm whooping butt. That wasn't very accurate though. Look at that. Just one again, y'all. Now let's see if I can actually play. It won't let me play Mortal Kombat. Do not have Mortal Kombat on the cover display, but I think you can actually do it if you had it set up. But let's move on. Let's play Call of Duty. Check the temperature. It says it's 111 now. And I killed 2% of the battery. As you can tell there. So let's play some Call of Duty.
Enemy in sight. Get down, sniper. Sniper eliminated.
So let's see if I can play this one. So you can play this game on your cover display. Believe it or not. Now, is it easy? Would I recommend it? No. But I'm playing it on the cover display. It's definitely not the easiest thing to do. So you can move it. I'm gonna go back. There we go. Now I'm back into my. Oh, right there. So what's this thing doing?
UAV recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. Targets in sight. Targets in sight.
Oh, I died. But yes, you can play this game. You can play it on the cover display. Now, why would you? I don't know. Oh.
Contact with enemy. Target down.
It says first to 50. I probably won't play all the way. Just trying to get y'all some games.
Targets in sight. Tango down. Sniper. Hunter killer drone on standby. Hunter killer drone deployed. Enemy down.
We are kicking some butt though.
Contact with enemy. Tango, Predator missile on standby. Friendly Predator missile inbound.
They're all in the building. They're all hiding. I can't go through the building.
Enemy down. Enemy in sight. Contact with enemy. Target down. UAV recon ready for deployment.
So this is Call of Duty. What y'all think about it? How did it look? Let's see how hot the phone is. It feels warm, but it said it went down some. Let me reset this app. Again, these apps, I don't know how accurate it is, but let's check it. It says 109. I'm at 96% battery life. And let's do Asphalt 9. I like doing these games. They are fun to do. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, so here it is. I have to find a game that I could play. It looks like I gotta upgrade some cars or something, but... And yes, you can play this on the screen too. Oh, I'm thinking that might not be good. I'm in last place. Oh, I finished in like last place. Now I'm going to show y'all the next race, but I'm going to do it on the covered display. Again, the phone feels warm on that covered display, but not horribly. Let's see, close it. It should ask me to continue. And yes, it's on that covered display. I'm going to hit resume. Maybe. Maybe. There we go. And yes, this is the covered display. Got my way, fool. So yes, you can play it on the covered display and do the same things. But why? Let's see. Will it continue? Yes. And now I'm back to the main display. Again, why would you use the covered display? I'm not sure. Why you would use that external display. You gotta win this one, buddy. You gotta win it. There you go. So that was Asphalt 9. A little bit of Asphalt 9. Let's see how much the temperature is. I don't need Best Buy. Right now it says it's back at 111. I'm still at 96% battery. So overall, I think it did a great job of playing these games. I didn't see any problems with it. Y'all let me know if y'all see anything. If you want to pick up this phone, you can definitely do so. I am enjoying it. Stay tuned. I will have like a week later video coming up. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Motorola Razr Plus. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.